my Catayans, a very warm welcome to your today's chemistry session in which we would be discussing questions of periodic classification of elements in the sprint text series. Now you know that how important is sprint text for you, your end month revision ke liye. We are going to cover so many questions in the series, so do not miss on any of the part of the video because the exact same questions you will get to see in your exam. Okay, stay connected till the end. अगर पॉकेट में आपको 5 नंबर रखने हैं केमिस्ट्री के लिए, then you have to watch this. And starting with the Catinic Note, as always, whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Right. True that. So guys, if you can wo bolte hai na, if you can dream about it, you can bring about it. So you just have to be consistent in that. You have to give your best possible effort. Consistency is the key, and hard work along with the smart work will get you to your destination. You can achieve it very easily. If in case you are new on the channel, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss on any of the update and the topics on which today's questions are based, because this is the first class. So we will be talking about the early attempts of classification, all the classification given by the Doberener, Newland, Sir Mendeleev, questions based on that and their drawbacks and why they require the modern periodic table. Before going ahead, this is the schedule for the sprint text. Take a screenshot for the chemistry schedule. Then we have physics schedule. Take a screenshot. Do not miss on any of the classes. Maths taken by your Gopal sir, then Maria ma'am is taking biology, and we have English schedule, and who is taking that? Your Shweta ma'am, and then last but not the least, social studies, your Ananya sir is there. 23rd March to 30th of March mein everything would be revised. So Vedantu master teachers are doing everything possible in their power to help you achieve your marks in the term 2 examination, the target exam. Let's target 100%. Okay, agar 100% हमने target किया है, we definitely would be able to achieve that in term 2, right? Okay, so let's see the section number 1 with the 2-marker questions on your screen. Judge yourself on these questions. How many questions you are able to solve? आपको ध्यान से देखना है हर चीज को, ठीक है? And the reason is that because you can see these questions as it is in exam. Note that point. Self-evaluation is important. Keep on connecting with me in the live chat. Comment section, I would be here for you, don't worry. What physical and chemical properties of elements were used by Mendeleev in creating his periodic table? Physical and chemical properties. So उन्होंने दोनों properties पे काम किया था. You remember that Mendeleev wanted to give the kind of classification that was magical, in which elements should be classified in such a way that elements with the similar chemical along with physical properties are coming together. Isn't it an amazing idea? Yes, it was. So this is what he thought. In कैसे किया? Physical properties were definitely the atomic mass. Atomic mass के auto में he arranged the elements, right? And the chemical property, you know that when he arranged elements in the increasing order of mass, he found that elements in the same vertical column, in the same group, were having the similar chemical properties. वो कैसे possible था? Because he took the formula of the oxides of the elements and their hydride. यही किया था. 63 elements were known at that time. He took those elements, made their oxides and hydrides. The elements whose formula of oxides and hydrides were same, they were put together in the same group and they were found to have similar chemical properties. So for chemical property, oxides and hydrides formula was being taken into consideration. Easy peasy, you can score 1 mark till here. Second point, list 2 observations in which posed a challenge to Mendeleev's periodic law. Okay, so there were a lot of challenges. First one, आप बता सकते हो, position of hydrogen was challenging. He did not give any place to hydrogen. The second important point, isotopes were a major issue for him because isotopes are the atoms of same element which are having the different masses, है ना. जैसे कार्बन के atoms का mass can be 12, 13 and 14, but isotopes are having the same chemical properties. Ideally, on the basis of same chemical property, they should be kept together, but their masses is different. So mass की वजह से they should be kept, okay, far apart. But that will impact the properties. It was not resolved by him, and there was some of the wrong order of atomic masses that were given. For example, if you remember cobalt and nickel, यहाँ problem था. Cobalt with the more mass was coming before nickel, है ना. So there was some challenges that were rather uncleared with the concept introduction of the modern periodic table. Second question, how were position of different isotopes decided in the modern periodic table? How were the position of different isotopes decided? बहुत आसान है, easy था decide करना. You know that isotopes are having the same atomic number, and periodic table was arranged on the increasing order of atomic number, ठीक है, and elements which were falling in the same group were having the similar chemical property. So how isotopes were arranged? Isotopes, देखो, I'm going to write carbon having a mass of 12, 13 and 14. Isotopes are having the different masses but same atomic number. सबका atomic number 6 है, carbon atom, because they are atoms of the same element. So they are having same atomic number. And the chemical property is also same. Same chemical property, same atomic number, keep them together, because this is modern periodic table, and modern periodic table पर we are having increasing atomic number का order, not atomic mass. This is not taken into consideration. Atomic number. So where you are keeping carbon with mass of 12, at the same place you can keep carbon with mass 13, carbon with mass 14, because they have same atomic number and same chemical property. So problem was being resolved, है ना. So ऐसे हुआ था ये. I guess that is sorted. How many marks you have scored? Come on, tell me. It should be 4. 4 marks you all have scored, I believe. High five. Come on, there we go. Third question. State modern periodic law. This is important. This statement can be asked in exam for 1 mark as it is. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number, है ना. यही लिखना है आपको वहां पर, ठीक है. इसका मतलब है when we are arranging the elements in increasing order of atomic number, elements having the similar physical and chemical properties were coming together. या तो आप simple लिख दो the properties of elements. If you want to be precise about properties, you should remember, you can mention both of them. Okay. Next part. Where are metals placed in the periodic table? Metals are placed on the left hand side, है ना. ये वाला जो एरिया होता है metals का है. Exception, you have hydrogen. Non-metals are on the right hand side. You have chlorine, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and metals में you have sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, rubidium, cesium, है ना. मिलते हैं आपको. And metalloids are in the zigzag position, the diagonally zigzag position, है ना. You can say middle towards the right in the periodic table. Can you give me example of 5 metalloids? Any 5 metalloids, tell me in the comment section right now if you're watching the video, okay. And now we are going to the 4th question. How does electronic configuration of an atom relate to its position in the modern periodic table? Easy है. Position का मतलब क्या है? Position here means groups and periods. That is the position. If you can locate the group number and period number of an element, that means you have located it in the modern periodic table, isn't it? Okay, so write the configuration. Chalo, let's take an example of potassium. Potassium is atomic number 19, configuration 2881. I want to know the period. Simple होता है. Period number is equal to number of shells in an atom. So if you know the number of shells, you know the period number 4. ओके, ग्रुप नंबर के लिए वी हैव टू सी द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, है ना. अगर वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1 और 2, इन दैट केस ग्रुप नंबर इज इक्वल टू वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. If valence electrons are more than 2, then in those cases group number is equal to 10 plus valence electrons. Apply this only to first 20 elements. And ये भी helium पे, you know, helium has 2 electrons in K shell. They are the valence electrons, but helium is in group number 18, है ना. So yeah, this is what you have to see. Position of elements with the help of configuration for first 20 element. Period number is equal to number of shells. Group number के लिए we will go with the valence electrons. If valence electron is 1 or 2, group number is valence electron के equal. If group number, like, you will add 10 to the valence electrons if valence electrons are more than 2. कर सकते हो. Like, find the group of chlorine. Chlorine has configuration 287. It has 7 valence electrons. So group number के लिए I will add 7 में 10. Easy है, not difficult. Okay. चलिए, let's go to the 5th question. What are the basic difference between a group and a period in terms of electronic configuration? Again, very easy, guys. Tell me how many of you know the answer in the comment section. बहुत आसान है, आपको पता है. ग्रुप के अंदर the elements which are lying in the same vertical column, they are having same number of valence electrons. Same number of valence electrons, है ना. And elements which are lying in the same period, जो same period में lie करते हैं, they are having a successive increase in valence electron by 1. Like period में valence electron keeps on increasing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like group number 1 elements are having 1 valence electrons. Group number 2 में 2 valence electron. Group number 13 elements will have 3 valence electrons. Group 14 में they have 4. So there is a successive increase in the valence electron in configuration in a period. And group में they are same. Easy hai, you can frame the answer first for group, then for period. Not gonna take you much. How many marks you have scored in the comment section right now? So see, the thing is that we don't have to take much time in solving these questions because we've done a lot of practice and I know. So wherever you feel that ma'am, video is going fast, pause the video, solve that question in your notebook. That is how you should be doing it so far, and then check your answer. Resume the video, check your answer and score yourself. Okay, take it as a test, take it as a mock test. Okay, an element X is a liquid, non-metallic. Can you predict its position in the periodic table? Okay, can you tell me a non-metal which is liquid? Metals and non-metals में आपने किया है. Bromine is the only liquid non-metal. Haven't you done this? Liquid non-metal और liquid metal में आपने कौन किया था? Mercury, है ना. And bromine is a halogen. It belongs to group number 17. कहाँ पर? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, है ना. And fluorine कहाँ से है? Fluorine is from 2nd period. Chlorine is from 3rd period. Bromine is from 4th period. So this element would be from period number 4 and group number 17. कर सकते हो easily, and that is probably bromine. This is Shilpi Mam's coupon code for extra 10% discount on any of Vedantu's pro classes. You wanna go for JEE, NEET or commerce courses? Feel free to apply SKA Pro and get additional discount. And the first batch is being formed now. Register your seats for 2024 target exam for the JEE and NEET. Okay, every penny is worth the price. Fine. Let's go to the 7th question now. An element X belongs to group number 17 and 3rd period of the periodic table. Okay. Write the electronic configuration of the element. Element X belongs to group number 17. Okay. 1st, 2nd and 3rd period. Group 17, 3rd period. ठीक है. फर्स्ट पीरियड में तो नहीं है कोई भी, आपको पता है. सेकेंड पीरियड में हमारे पास फ्लोरीन है. थर्ड पीरियड में वी हैव क्लोरीन. Write the configuration 287. What is the valency? Group 17 elements have 7 valence electrons. They need to gain 1 electron in order to get stabilized. Valency would be 1. Simple, easy peasy. Predict the nature, whether it is a metal or non-metal. Group 17 देकर पूछ रहे हैं, definitely non-metals हैं, है ना. ग्रुप नंबर 14, 15, 16, 17 में कौन है? non-metals हैं. Generally avoid the metalloids. Give the formula of compound form when it combines with an element Y having the valency of 3. So I have told you a lot number of times, formula की बात आती है तो we need valency. Okay. Element X, उसका valency कितना है? 1. It will be a non-metal, so I can put negative because it's gonna make an ion, है ना. Negative valency ही negative charge दिखाएगा. Then element Y is having a valency of 3. Okay, I believe it would be a metal, let's say. Now what we have to do? Criss-cross. बना सकते हो. What would be the formula? X3Y. जरूरी नहीं होता, it would be a metal only, है ना. So you know non-metals, group number 15 elements. Group 15 elements also have a valency of 3. They need to gain 3 electrons in order to get stabilized. Group 13 elements also have a valency of 3. है ना, कोई भी हो सकता है ये. So we would be writing the formula. बना सकते हो क्रिस क्रॉस करके. Yes, check your answer here. चलिए 8th question. Element A, B, C and D have atomic number 1, 8, 11 and 19. Choose the odd element and give reason for your answer. Odd element कैसे बताएंगे? Maybe atomic number given है. जब भी always write the electronic configuration first of all. ठीक है. Atomic number 1 के लिए configuration is 1. Atomic number 8 के लिए configuration will be 2, 6. You should be fluent with configurations. ठीक है. 11 है 2, 8, 1 is the configuration. 19 के लिए पोटेशियम है 2881. Okay, 1 valence electron, 1 valence electron, 1 valence electron. Element with the same valence electron belong to same group. A, C and D are from the same group. Odd one out कौन है? B. It has got 6 valence electrons. Easy, very easy question. Yes. Are you all scoring full marks? 16 marks so far. 8 questions we've covered. Next one. How were the position of different isotopes decided in the modern periodic table? I guess this question is repeated, है ना. हमने देख लिया है. Modern periodic table में you have seen that the atomic number के basis पे we are arranging isotopes have the same atomic number. They were kept at the same place, है ना. Okay, 10th one. Choose an element from period number 3 of modern periodic table that matches the description given below. Okay. It has a similar structure to diamond. Diamond क्या है? Carbon है. Carbon belongs to group number 14. Has a valency of 4. So elements from the same group will also be having valency 4. So answer can be silicon will be having similar structure. Tetravalent होगा ये भी. Gonna make the 4 covalent bonds, है ना. Tetrahedral structure होगा यहाँ पर भी. Same valency as lithium. Okay, lithium is from group number 1. All group number 1 elements have the same valency. Give the example of sodium. सोडियम हो सकता है, पोटेशियम हो सकता है ना. This is nice. It has variable valency, means more than one valency, and is a member of oxygen family. Group number 16 में ऑक्सीजन के जस्ट नीचे आता है सल्फर. सल्फर exhibits variable valency, है ना. आप देख सकते हो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड में, ट्राइऑक्साइड में. Sulfur in this case is showing valency of +4 charge. यहाँ पे it shows +6. Even hydrogen sulfide में, tell me the valency of sulfur. Is it 2? something like that. Tell me, think about it, है ना? It can exhibit variable valency, so that was sulfur. Easy था. How many marks you guys have scored? Wait a minute, इसके भी marks आपको calculate करने हैं. This is your homework question. Just tell me the answer of one part in the comment section, part number B. Rest you do in your homework notebook, whatever you have maintained over there. I hope you have maintained. So time in exam would be around 3 minutes for this. Do not beat about the bush, come to the straight point, and these questions are all very important in the entire spring text series. Okay? This is ma'am's coupon code that is known to you, and I'll see you next time with the second part of this chapter. I hope session was helpful for you. Take care. See ya. Bye-bye. So guys, I'm sure that your preparation for term 2 is going on to another level, heights and amazing. Now there comes the next step. Ma'am, we are scared. What should we opt for in our next class? So ma'am just wants to tell you that every stream has its own beauty, है ना? They all have the different options to explore. Like if you want to be a fashion designer, you want to go and pursue mass communication, you can go for arts. If you want to be a civil servant, then you can go for any of the 3 sciences, commerce or arts. If you want to be a CA, CS, then if you are more interested into stock market and accounting, then you can go to the commerce. Now especially for the science students who are quite determined that ma'am, we want to be doctors, we want to be engineers. If you have that dream to get into an IIT because you want to come out as the best engineer, then Vedantu is holding your back. Okay, so let me tell you that 6% of the IITs are having students from Vedantu. The batches in them are the students coming from Vedantu directly, and we have produced the brilliant results time again, not just for the JEE exam but also for the NEET exam. Okay, and preparation ऐसा नहीं है कि I will think in 12th तब prepare करेंगे, अभी तो 2 साल है, because you know the competition of this exam, that is magnificent, and your preparation should be super magnificent, isn't it? So we cannot take any risk involved in the preparation of JEE, and JEE NEET preparation at Vedantu is just provided by the world's best teachers, right, who have themselves cleared these examinations, and they have very much experience of producing 1, 2, 3 all India ranks, the top students who have qualified the exam. So I just want to let you know, agar aap determined ho, then you can come with us, you can join with Vedantu for the NEET JEE batch target exam 2024, and the prices are super affordable. You don't have to go to an offline institute, be worried about your notes material, कब मिलेंगे hard copies, आज या कल मिलेंगे. Vedantu will be delivering that to your home, okay, to your doorstep. Plus you do get handwritten notes by these experts after each and every session. All your doubts would be resolved. So like unlike in an offline institute, you have to stand in a very long queue in order to get your doubt resolved. Vedantu mein it's just served at your table. If there is a doubt, even slight doubt, then you can get it cleared right away. So get all your doubts instantly solved, because we have a team of class teachers and master teachers who assist you with your doubt solving queries. And assignments ki to tension hi mat lo. All the updated assignments with the most expected questions from the JEE NEET exam would be provided to you with the sessions. Okay, after every session you would be provided with that, so there is no issue, and you can take up the mock test. ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing है. So if you are doing preparation by yourself, ऐसा नहीं होता you cannot qualify the exam. It's just that you are involved in a risk, है ना? Because unless you do the mock test, it is very hard to crack these exams. So guys, please, ऐसा नहीं है possible नहीं होता. Everything is possible, but you don't have that much time that you can take a risk around it, isn't it? So you should be prepared in the best possible way, because these are the 2 years of your life that are not going to come back, है ना? So it's like you cannot take any risk. So mock test तो बहुत जरूरी है. Test series are important, which are available here at Vedantu. And what are the pricing for the same? ma'am is going to tell you, but whatever is the price that is super affordable, above that you have Shilpi ma'am's coupon code for extra 10% discount, and wo code kya hai? SKA Pro, that's Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro, right? So ma'am is gonna tell you that what you have to do. The video that you're watching right now, you have to go in the description box of that video, hit the like button. बहुत important है, hit the like button of the video. Okay, grade 10th and 2-year JEE. This is for JEE aspirant. ठीक है? So if you are sure कि मैम मुझे JEE ही करना है, this is the course that we are providing. Again, showing you, if in case I was covering the screen, you have to scroll down. The video that you're watching right now, वहां पर जाकर grade 10th 2 years JEE, I have clicked on the first link if you want to opt for the JEE batch, है ना, Drishti JEE batch, where amazing and experienced teachers are going to take the sessions. Then नीचे वाला link 2 years NEET program is for the NEET aspirants. Okay, so let me show you the pricing for the JEE and how you have to take the enrollment. First thing, this course will get you term 2 revision. अभी भी there is a lot of time, you know that, है ना, एक month है आपके पास for the preparation of your 10th term 2 exam. So that is something you would be getting. Plus, as soon as your exams are over, the preparation for JEE 2024 will be started by the master teachers. So you will be on a safer note. Your time won't be wasted. We have 3 subscriptions: Light, Classic and Plus. If you are a student who is very much like, you know, clear with your exam strategy, you are like, ma'am, I'm always actively participating in studies. If I do get life doubts, then all of them would be resolved right away, है ना, because we are giving you class teachers. Unlimited live sessions would be there. So the thing is that these are not the recorded sessions, these are live. After the live session goes over, you also get the recording. So it's like a wow, it's like a plus point for you, है ना. Test series throughout the entire academic year. In fact, I would say in these 2.5 years, your test series and analysis would be given to you. Assignments and notes milenge regular. Doubt solving during the class. If you are willing that, ma'am, even after the live class I want to get my doubts resolved, then you can go with the classic subscription. Ma'am ka code लगाओगे, prices will fall down. Okay, then plus में you also get a personal mentor for the personalized attentions, personalized doubt solving, assignment practice and stuff. Now if you will be the regular student, actively participate करोगे, you will appear in all the tests, you will be solving all the assignments regularly, you will attend all the live sessions, then this live plan will work for you. And believe me, you are getting a lot of discount. Koi baat nahi. You're like, ma'am, I don't want to put in 58,000 rupees in this because I am scared. But remember that this 58,000 rupees that you would be paying here is for a total of 2.5 years. अभी भी तो time है, 10th का भी तो preparation हो रहा है. So it's like 2.5 years के लिए you are paying this price for all the subjects. The physics, chemistry, maths, physics, chemistry, biology would be covered there, and that is completely worth it. मैं बता रही हूँ आपको, when I did my 12th standard, when I appeared in the exam, then the prices used to be super high. That's like 2 lakh से prices वहाँ पर शुरू होते थे for the combined batches, and that was like, it was so difficult to ask the doubts. I still remember the teacher is standing there, you are at the somewhere last bench, because you know seat reserve karna is also fine, but yahan par everything is at your table, isn't it? And above this, Vedantu also gives you a trial period offer. पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. I'm taking this tagline, है ना, from some so for advertisement something. That's a very famous dialogue, you know that. So try for 15 days, but if you apply ma'am's coupon code, you can get some extra discount and days over that. SKA Pro is Shilpi ma'am's code. कभी भी देखो, कभी you should not take the risk. अगर आपको लगता है मैम I'm not sure I want to pursue JEE, मुझे करना है या नहीं साइंस, आप देख सकते हो ट्रायल में, you will understand, है ना. At least your 10th would be revised. So try for some few days first and then go with the big subscription. If you are connected with us for quite a long time, then directly go with that. है ना. You should be able to trust Vedantu. You have been connected on Vedantu for quite a long time. Some of you are already a part of the pro classes. Some of you were a part of pro classes in your 9th and 10th standard. So it's completely safe and worth it. Okay, so please, if you have target in your mind, do not waste your time. That is what I would request, because it's a thing, it's a one time and a once in a lifetime kind of thing, and you know that, right? Koi baat nahi. And the next we are having is the NEET. NEET के लिए भी I'm gonna show you. If you scroll down, the same pricing is there. Try for 15 days first. Extra days will be available if you apply ma'am's coupon code. You are saving 50% on this price with the coupon code. ठीक है, अभी के लिए this is working only for this week. Once the week is over, the price will go back to 1700 for the trial period also. After all, it is for JEE and NEET along with your 10th revision. So go for it, okay? And do not think about the timetable issues. There would be no issues. The awesome teachers are there. You are having Dr. Saurav sir, Mohit sir. He is himself from IIT. You can see Wasim sir is there. Chemistry expert. All the amazing teachers are here for you, okay? So don't even worry about it, right? Okay, the same goes for the JEE master teachers. You can scroll down and see over here. Arvind sir is from IIT Delhi himself. Ankit sir is from IIT Roorkee. Shimon sir is there. He's from IIT Madras. ठीक है? So आपको सारे teachers मिलेंगे. Devendra sir IIT Roorkee. So your future is in safe hands. You just gotta trust us, है ना? That is very important. So think about it. Talk to your parents. Your parents know the best for you, right?